In the ancient lands of Crete, a tale of fear and legend unfurled beneath the scorching sun. These were the lands ruled by King Minos, where the labyrinthine shadow cast by his rule gripped the hearts of the people. King Minos, desiring a bull from the sea god Poseidon as a sacrifice, had defied the gods by offering another in its place. But the gods do not forget such transgressions. Poseidon, in his wrath, ensnared Minos' wife in a love affair with a majestic bull, leading to the birth of the Minotaur, a creature both man and beast. The Minotaur, a fearsome being, found its abode within the labyrinth, its mere existence a source of terror for the people of Crete. Under the dominion of Minos, the kingdom became a realm overshadowed by the horrors lurking within the twisting passages of the labyrinth. The fear extended beyond the borders of Crete, reaching the gates of Athens. The sacrificial demands of Minos plagued the Athenians, who were forced to send their finest youths every 7 years to sat the hunger of the Minotaur. It was a curse that weighed heavily upon the land, casting a pall over its people. Yet, even in the darkest of times, there existed a glimmer of hope. Theseus, a hero whose name had become intertwined with legends, emerged from the ranks of Athens. He was bold and just, determined to bring hope to his beleaguered people. With courage burning in his heart and justice as his guide, Theseus embarked on a journey to confront the Minotaur and end the reign of terror. The resolute footsteps of Theseus shook the foundations of Crete, heralding the arrival of a hero. Armed with his unwavering courage, Theseus delved deep into the heart of the labyrinth, each step a testament to his determination. His sword, a beacon of justice, illuminated the darkness as he pressed forward, instilling hope in the hearts of his people with every stride. Escape seemed impossible within the labyrinth's confines, yet hope persisted even in its darkest corners. Theseus's bravery only grew stronger with each obstacle he faced, his resolve unshaken. In the depths of the labyrinth, the Minotaur's roars reverberated, but Theseus, undeterred, stood ready to confront the monstrous entity. When the moment of reckoning came, the labyrinth echoed with a clash of titans as Theseus and the Minotaur met in combat. With sword in hand, Theseus fought bravely, his every strike fueled by the desire for justice and freedom. Each blow struck against the Minotaur's tyranny, a testament to the indomitable spirit of a hero. In the end, it was Theseus who emerged victorious, bringing an end to the Minotaur's reign of terror. His triumph became the stuff of legend, a tale of courage and justice that would echo through the ages. As Theseus emerged from the labyrinth, he carried with him the hopes and dreams of his people, heralding a new era of freedom for Crete. The tale of Theseus and the Minotaur would be told for generations to come, a testament to the power of courage and justice in the face of adversity. Theseus's sword would forever stand as a symbol of liberation, its blade a beacon of hope for all who dared to dream of a better tomorrow. And in the depths of the labyrinth, where once darkness reigned supreme, a light had been kindled, a light that would shine brightly for all eternity.